Welcome to a presentation of KP Graphs which displays the rise and fall of sentiment in the form of graphs at intradaygraphs.com. Sentiment analysis is the key to understand how the index will vary. Stock market index can be predicted by analyzing the sentiment and can be used to earn a living or for planning your future needs. Day trading based on technical and sentiment analysis can improve your success rate by using turning points from KP Graphs. Learn one time, earn for a lifetime. You can earn daily, Monday to Friday from stock market. Analyze the sentiment using intraday KP Graphs for day trading in futures and options based on indices. Using KP Graphs enhances your income and creates a sense of security. It is all about learning and earning money for a living from stock market. Analyze the sentiment to earn daily using stock market indices. KP Graphs is designed and developed in India for all the major world indices, commodities and other NSE indices. It's all about earning using indices. Do subscribe to our service. Call Harshal at +91 845 280 9989 for a 1-to-1 training. Wave theory is the rise and fall of your sentiment without using KP Graphs. Sentiment is unique to each individual and lets him or her take a position to buy or sell a financial instrument based on his or her sentiment at any point in time. The mind varies all the time, and this is attributed to moon as also the waves at sea that show a rise and fall akin to our thought process. Let us assume that you have had no knowledge of KP Graphs and are about to act based on some inference that you have gained from friends, tips or news item. We will now explore the stages of the mind and what you undergo after you decide to take the plunge. You have taken a position in the market and you are on the edge, so as to say. The position shows signs of gains and optimism creeps in. The position improves further, leading to excitement in time. The excitement in time changes to thrill and the position improves further. The position shows further appreciation, leading to euphoria for some fleeting moments. The fleeting moment passes and the price dips with a tinge of anxiety. The price falls slightly and the denial mode sets in. A further dip in price registers some fear. In time, desperation is obvious as the current price is same as the purchase price. The price falls below the cost price and panic suddenly takes hold. The price falls 3% below cost, leading to capitulation. A further fall of 2% leads to despondence in time, but suddenly the fall is arrested. The despondence now reduces to depression. The shadow of depression fades and turns to hope. The glimmer of hope leads to a feeling of relief. Relief expands into optimism as the purchase price is reached. The position improves further, leading to excitement in time. The excitement in time changes to thrill and the position improves further. We hope you have experienced this ride at some point in time. Stock markets are lucrative by imagination and elusive due to our own actions. The rise and fall of sentiment experienced in the wave theory should be a constant reminder of what not to undergo while trading. It is now time to explore the ways and means to avoid the turmoil experienced during trading, and you are now willing to expand your horizon. You may have discovered information about KP Graphs from friends or while browsing the net. The features of KP Graphs enables you to analyze the directional bias by following the most logical steps in thinking, and you have decided to explore further. You are skeptical and wanting to explore, have chosen the way forward with the first step. You are wanting to review KP Graphs and its concepts. Your interest leads to inspection of historical KP Graphs and Nifty from the year 2007 to 2019. Desire for learning becomes a priority objective to learn as early as possible. Interactive maths is nothing but the flow of power values and the back pressure of L1 to L4 levels. The backflow is so important that the time for planning now is real and imminent. Training to analyze KP Graphs becomes the next objective to achieve. Assessment of paper and real trades is done. The outcome of trades is analyzed. The final step is setting monthly targets to be achieved. It is now time to subscribe to our monthly service. KP Graphs have been designed and developed in India with 10 major world indices, commodities and other NSE indices. Nifty 50 is the index of National Stock Exchange of India. NZ 50 is the index of New Zealand. AORD is the index of Australia. N225 is the index of Japan. KS11 is the index of South Korea. TWII is the index of Taiwan. HSI is the index of Hong Kong. SSAC is the index of China. FTSE is the index of United Kingdom. GDAX is the index of Germany. DJI is the index of USA. Commodities like aluminium, copper, gold, lead, zinc, nickel, crude and natural gas. Other NSE indices are Nifty Bank, Nifty Finser, Nifty FMCG, Nifty IT, Nifty Priv Bank, Nifty Midcap 100 and Nifty Midcap 50. We are in the process of testing a number of scripts as a future update to our service. Currently each subscriber gets to view all the said indices for a limited time. If you are 18 years of age or above, you can subscribe to our monthly service. Our service can be used by day traders, investors, salaried individuals, professionals, self-employed, housewives, retired individuals and students who are 18 years of age and above are eligible to subscribe to our service. Training may be needed depending upon your self-learning abilities. We generally encourage self-learning, but in case you need training, then individual training is a paid service. Download historical self-study KP graphs at intradaygraphs.com. Historical KP graphs are available from 2007 to 2019 for Nifty and 2012 to 2019 for Nifty Bank. Our service is available to all those who have a trading account. It is recommended that you learn the use of KP graphs on a laptop or desktop and avoid learning on a mobile as it provides a limited view. Kindly do subscribe to our service after you learn to analyze KP graphs. Learn one time and earn for a lifetime. We appreciate your time and thank you for the same. It's time to introduce KP graphs based on Sun. The movement of Sun is linear at 1 degree per day, hence we can get a longer view of the event time frame. Kindly subscribe to our service or request for training, which is a paid service. Learn one time, earn for a lifetime. Sentiment analysis and technical analysis can coexist in harmony.